Facebook has recently said they may have to stop operating in Europe because the EU is looking at suspending data transfers to the US. This is a reversal of what's going on in the US in regards to ByteDance and data flowing to China or Huawei or whoever, take your pick. Now the EU is saying our data policy is strict and stringent, and we don't want European users' data heading back to your spot, Zuckerberg. And he's saying, I don't think we can operate Facebook and Instagram, maybe WhatsApp, I don't know, without this two-way communication, this two-way transfer of data. Now, this has been developing for a while in Europe. It's part of that. Facebook is currently in a legal fight with Ireland's Data Protection Commission. And the commission issued earlier this month questioned the validity of the mechanism Facebook uses to send data back to the US. So they're saying there's got to be a different way. They're saying we need oversight. We had to know that this is a secure thing. I don't know what kind of access they want. You know, Zuckerberg doesn't want to bend on that. He's got all the proprietary stuff and the algorithms and whatever else is going on. They want more control.
Yep.
Right? Like a lot of governments are starting to take data and data privacy and data transmission so much more seriously. So are people. So are regular citizens. So is Apple in their marketing material. So anyways, it does appear a threat from Zuckerberg himself that, okay, you won't keep going down this path with this court case. Your citizens are going to lose Facebook products. Will he do that or will he comply? Well, of course, there's many factors that are going to play into it. But as you can see, even a strong U.S. business in social media is not immune when it comes to these various world governments bringing a new level of scrutiny to how they operate and where their citizens' data is going after it leaves that place.
And I guess it's not as easy as just having Facebook servers in Europe, right?
I think that's what they would want.
Yeah.
But as you can see in the ByteDance situation, that doesn't even seem like enough. They had to give up some portion of the company there too to satisfy Trump that, okay, I know the people working on it, or it's an American company overseeing it. So what would the Facebook version of that be in Ireland, let's say? Would there have to be some new company set up in Ireland, which is Irish, that would have a piece of Facebook's operations there? I mean, that's very cloudy. And if you're Facebook, of course you don't want that. You've been operating there.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
So I don't know what requirements. I don't even think he would have to go that far, to be honest. I think right now it's against just opening the thing up for inspection even. I don't think he wants to change anything if something's going well. Well, you wouldn't, would you?
No.
Elon